Hey everyone, welcome to Automation. Now, a lot of people are going to say, why am I showing you how to change a battery in my car? To me, animation is life, right? So we could use this as a reference. So there could be a character that's trying to change a battery in a scene that the director gives you. And I thought maybe, I don't know, you can use it as reference or just helping someone who's got a similar car and wants to change a battery. All right, guys? So let's dive in and I'll quickly show you how we change this battery. All right. First thing we do, we're going to unhook these clips here. So it says unlock, unlock. Just unlock all of these. You're just lifting this up and basically taking the cover off. Okay, so this is the battery. We're going to change this now. So there's a nut we're going to loosen here, and this one here, and then right there, if you can see, there's a screw right there. We're going to get that out. That's a bracket that holds the battery. And then we'll just loosen that up now and we'll get that battery out. All right, guys, that's the positive side, negative side. And you always start with the negative first. So that's a 10 mil. Okay. All right. And then we'll get that disconnected. Take that off, put it on the side. Then we'll do the positive here. Okay, just going to loosen this. Okay, that's loose. Then we can get that out. So we'll just push that out like that. Okay. And then on the side here, there's a little, you can see here, just put this down. There's a little thing you can pull out just to secure. So that's for just securing the battery. You can just put it back here. Okay, now we can get this back, or we need to use a bit for getting that out. So we'll do that next. Also, we're going to push this back by pressing this button. Yeah. All right. So we've got that bit in there. There you go. Oh, there you go. We've got the battery out. All right, guys, let's have a look. As you can see, it's a little bit dirty there. I'm going to hoover that up, clean it all up, and then we'll put the new battery in. So this is the new battery I'm going to put in. It's 12, 70, 76. So we got here 12, 70, 760. Yeah. So yeah, we're going to put this in next. It's all matching. All right, guys. Okay, guys, we're going to put the battery in. Let's get this in. Okay, and you got these plastic covers on the battery. I'm going to leave them on there. And I'm just going to try and slip it in nicely. Right, there you go. Make sure it sits in nicely. We'll just tighten this. Change it. I'll switch this over to the tightening side. You just want to make sure it's all secure. So it's pretty tight, that's fine. Okay, so we've got that in, and now, okay, so as you can see, these have plastic caps on it, these batteries. So what we'll do, we'll always start with the positive first. So I'll just get this out and put the positive in first. Press it in, as you can see, pressed in. And then we'll change this as well. And we'll just tighten this. That's all we're doing. Right? We're just replacing, tightening, try and make so it's solid there. And also the other side. So what we'll do, take that out up here and just get this. And you see a bit of smoke there, but that's normal. Don't worry about that. Oops, that's meant to be there. Don't worry about that. Just start tightening this. All in. Okay, so the battery's in. Then I'll just put the cover on here, and then you see this corner here, we'll stick this back in. Oh, so this hole, the hole is on this side, but we're just gonna have to take this red bit out so we can put this bit in here. Okay, so we'll do that now. All right, so I'm using this screwdriver and I'm just luring, just taking this out like this, pushing it out. basically I've taken that out, as you can see. So what I had to do, I had to take this red bit out. That red bit was here. So I took it out and I put it there, and I put this bit in. Okay, so as you can see, the sign is not there anymore. That yellow sign used to come up and it's not there anymore, which is brilliant. You know, I used to get a yellow sign up. Now, initially, you just look underneath the passenger side, there's the auxiliary voltage. I don't think it's a battery, but it's like, it compensates for the stop and start. It's just it kind of handles it. I'm not too sure, I'm not an expert, but this is what I also saw on YouTube. But I changed that and it still kept coming on. So what I've done, I put the old original Mercedes part back on. That's fine. So I know it was the battery. So I've got to put all this back, but it's working. Everything's working fine. It's all charged. I didn't have to charge the battery. It's already charged. Okay guys, so it's all working. Battery's working. The sign has gone off. And I don't know, maybe you can use this as some reference for your animation, for someone changing the battery. Animation is life, right? Hope this helps people who are animators or not animators. So I'll see you in the next video, guys. See you later.